Okay, so this is for Samsung phones. I don't know if it'll work on iPhones or iPads, but it does work on Samsung phones. If your Blink is not giving you notifications or MyQ is not giving you notifications, this is what you got to do. At the very bottom, you can see my little gear where it says, well, it doesn't say it, but it says it's for settings. Or you can scroll down and hit that little gear on top, okay? Very top right. This is a Samsung S23, so your little gear may be somewhere else. So let's go back to the main screen. But you got to go to settings, okay? I'm going to hit settings down there at the bottom, all right? Then you go down here where it says battery, all right? You hit battery, and then you have power saving. Make sure that's off, okay? I know you're saying, well, my battery's going to go. No, don't worry about the battery. You want it to notify you when you have a motion detection. So you go to background usage limits, okay? And then you make sure to put unused apps to sleep as off. Never auto sleeping apps. You hit that, and you should have Blink and MyQ. Now, if it's not there, you hit the plus sign on top. You see the plus sign? Hit the plus sign, and you go find Blink. Now, it's not going to be on here because I've already have it not to put to sleep, okay? So yours should be there, and you highlight it and then turn it off. Or if it's Blink, you want to leave it on. So let's go back to this screen, which says never auto sleeping apps. Blink is on there, MyQ is there, and that's perfect, okay? So that's how it works. If it doesn't work the first time, don't give up. Wait a day or two, and you may want to restart your phone as well. That's what I did, and now it works perfectly. Every time there's a Blink detection, it does notify me. Same thing with MyQ. So, yeah. All right, let's go back. I'm going to do it one more time. Go over here to battery, okay? I'm going to hit it. Then I'm going to go to background usage limits. Never auto sleeping apps. Put Blink and MyQ in there, or any app that you want that not to sleep. Because if it goes to sleep, then you won't get any notifications. So that's how that works. All right, I'm going to go back one more time, and hit the bottom button, go back to home screen, and here we are. All right, hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, don't forget to like this video. It helps me a lot, and I hope it helps you, because it was really frustrating not to have these notifications. I mean, that's the purpose of having, motion detection cameras, to let you know that there's someone around your house, right? I've got like 6 cameras, so for probably a couple of weeks, I was not notified. I called Samsung, I called Blink, and they ran me through the normal procedures to try to fix this, and nothing worked until I discovered this. All right, so I hope this helps, because it definitely cuts on the frustration when something works. And yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to hit the like button, because it does help me. Have a good day, and Merry Christmas, since this is December 18th, 19th, whatever it is, 17th. I think it's the 18th. All right. Thanks for watching.